guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff and use zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to do my wallet, which is my variable expenses, and then I have $5 that I want to put towards a new challenge. So in my shop, I have the New Year's challenge, so I'm going to add some money to that. I made each icon worth $2. So this is going to be a really quick video. I'm not stuffing much in my wallet because honestly, the kids are off of school and we're really not doing anything this vacation. So it should be really short, this video. I just want to say Happy New Year's Eve to everybody. A blessed new year 2025. I feel like it's going to be a really, really good year for all of us. Stay tuned because I am going to switch out my binders. I do have some stuff coming in for my binders. So I'm going to do a whole switch rule. As far as the categories, I feel like they're going to stay the same. And I just want to say good luck to everybody on their journey. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is my variable expenses. And like I said, this is not really getting much this week. So let me just make sure you guys can see that. And the affirmation for today is save money and money will save you. So hopefully you guys enjoy that message in the beginning of the video. So let's get to stuffing. Okay, so groceries is going to get $5. I believe everything in here is going to get $5 because like I said, we're not going out much. And I did do a big compra in the beginning of the month, grocery shopping haul in the beginning of the month. Sorry about that. I don't need to speak Spanish. But we did a big grocery haul in Costco. So as far as things in the house, the kids have everything. And as far as out to eat, I'm trying not to go out to eat because I feel like that's where we spend money the most. So groceries is going to get $5. Toiletries, like I said, we really don't need much. So maybe this money will be here next week. And I'm able to like put it into my savings challenges. So toiletries, $5. Out to eat, I'm just going to put $5. But like I said, I'll be cooking for them in their home. So I'll do breakfast, lunch, and dinner and try to avoid like out to eat. Kids are going to get $5 as well. And I feel like they don't really need anything because they got like a whole bunch of stuff for Christmas. So yeah, kids $5. Spending is going to get $5. Self-care is going to get $5. And miscellaneous is going to get $5. And as far as last week, there was nothing left over in my wallet. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. Now let's get into the savings challenges. So I'm going to show you guys the new savings challenge that I added to my savings challenge binder. Okay, I got a little visit from my little man. So we are going to do the Happy New Year one. And again, this is available at Jeanette'sJourney7.com. So I'm just going to do 2 of these. These are $2 each. And we have a total of $5. So I'll add $4 to this. And then the dollar that's left over, I'll put it in my ice cream challenge. So I'm just going to cross out 2 of these. And hopefully you guys enjoyed my video yesterday where I did my colorful dollar Monday game. So, and thank you for your order for those. You're going to have fun with that game with the dice. So, yeah, guys, thank you for those orders. And that's such an easy challenge to do, I feel. Okay, so this got $4, $2 each. And let's put it in that dollar in here. Okay, so let's just cross one of these out. And just add the dollar to this. So now in here we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So $16 in here. And that's going to be it for today. I do have money for Friday for my savings challenges. Let's see how much I have here so far. I want to have 25 at least. And I also want to try to do my 100 envelope challenge on Friday as well. So that's another $27. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I need a total of $28 more for Friday savings challenges. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful for you guys. As far as orders, they're going out to you guys not tomorrow, but the day after, but I am working on them. As far as working on orders tonight, I don't think I'm doing anything. I did print out what I needed to print out, but I still have to make the stuff. So I believe there's 2 orders that I have to complete tonight. And then I received one yesterday morning as well. I mean, this morning. So I'll work on that the following day. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for all your support. Thank you guys for just watching my videos. That's how you show support. You do not have to buy anything in my small business. Just by watching my videos alone does help out the channel and to bring forward my content on YouTube. My goal this year is to get monetized on YouTube. I used to be monetized a long time ago when I had my couponing channel and I was thriving there. But once my son was born, I had to stop couponing, and there goes the video. So you will see some of that content still on here. My name used to be CBS Couponzales. Now it's Jeanette's Budget. So if you guys are confused as to, you know, like, why does she have couponing videos on? Those are really old videos that I kept on there just to show people who I was before. And a lot of people are confused with my subscribers, like, oh, what happened to her? So I just found a new niche, and I'm really, really enjoying cash stuffing. I feel like I'm saving a lot more with cash stuffing than couponing, even though my budget for couponing was like $20 a week. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.